guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now I've been wanting this type of product for a while. Now one thing I will note, I realized that I didn't get the exact bag that I wanted because I was rushing, because I know this place tends to sell out, and I didn't read exactly, but it's okay. Like, I'm fine with what I got. I'm not going to return it. But I did get a Teflar. I've been wanting a Teflar bag for a while, but every time I'm like, oh, I'm not going to buy it. But this is my early birthday present to myself. My birthday is next month, but I decided to get it because I was scared it was going to go out of stock. Also, though, I just found out that there's a Teflar store that's going to actually be opening in New York City. So maybe in the future I may get another one, but it will be the actual bag. But let's get into the bag. I just picked it up from my P.O. box. I sent it to my P.O. box because I know USPS. So my P.O. box is in a different zip code than my zip code, and I think it's a good thing actually, because my post office does not care about any packages sometimes, and it's very annoying. So that's why I purposely sent this to my P.O. box, because I know, like, it's my P.O. box, they kind of have to deliver. So far I haven't had any issues with things not coming to my P.O. box. I feel like if I had sent it to not to my P.O. box, I would have probably had issues, and we're not having that because I spent money for this. So this is the box that it came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it to just okay, so it opens up into like this. So here's the whole bag. I think that's my tracking thing. So this is actually the Eastpak. Oh, they wrote it here. This is the Eastpak times Teflar, the medium shopper. I initially just really what I was thinking of buying was the medium shopper, the regular black tote, but I didn't realize I was purchasing it so fast. Didn't realize it was. This one is actually a multi-purpose bag, but I don't think it's a bad thing because I do like backpacks. So this is the packaging after you open the box, just so you guys can see. And then so really, sorry. So it comes in this little bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It's like a drawstring bag, but I do like this because then you can like keep it from getting messed up. So I think that's a good thing. So I got it in black because I feel like black goes with everything. So what I was saying is, as you guys can see, it has straps. I didn't know that because you can also wear it as a backpack, but I'm fine with that because if I need to wear it as a backpack, I can. But also you can wear it as a crossbody, I believe. But I will get into it. So this is how the bag looks upon sorry, I'm just gonna move this back so you guys can see it without the tag on it. So initially, of course, it has a Teflar logo on it, and slogan, or logan, what am I trying to say, brand patent, I think. And then on the bottom it says Eastpak USA. But I would say, in comparison to the like regular shopper, why I don't regret too much getting this one now, because I feel like it's gonna be more durable, being that it's more of a thicker thing, and then it's not gonna be, you know, like as time progresses, some bags, some purses, they start to like tear and stuff like that. I feel like this is a little bit more durable. Just by touching it, it's thicker. I also like that there's side pockets, so that's the first thing I just noticed on both sides, because it's like a backpack, so you can put like a water bottle, maybe not a big one, but if you have like a small water bottle, yes. So inside the bag, like I said, does have a strap. So here's the strap. It's not connected yet, but this is the strap if you want to wear it as a crossbody. I feel like a lot of times I may wear it as a crossbody, but I can also wear the backpack because then it's just going to be right there in my back. So yeah, it does have the little thing to wear it as a crossbody. Then inside it has, which I like, it has compartments. I do like bags that have different compartments to organize things. So you guys can't really see all up in there. I don't know if you guys can, but there's like I'm trying to hold it up so you guys can see it and open at the same time. There's like one pocket here, so I can put through stuff. There's another pocket in the front that's mesh, like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna get closer. It's mesh, you see that? So, and then there's another zipper. You know how a lot of bags have zippers? You can put things in there as well. It's a good size. I feel like it depends on, if you have a small laptop, it'll fit. I have a 16-inch. I don't think it would fit in this one. Maybe something smaller. But it definitely could fit, like if I was carrying my iPad or something. It could fit that. But yeah, I don't really have much to say. I like that they didn't only make, what I like is that they didn't only make this just a backpack. They made it also like crossbody, so if you wanted to wear it as a purse. The only thing is, the straps obviously they're not detachable. So, I mean, I guess they would show, because, yeah, I'm trying to think now, like, if you wear it as a crossbody, it's gonna still show the straps either way. But, I mean, I don't know, I'll figure it out. Like, do you tuck it into the sides, I guess, so you can wear it as a crossbody? I would think. I don't know. But, yeah, that's what I have to say. I do like it. I haven't tested it out yet. Like I just said, I just got it today. But I definitely would wear this as a... I would not wear this to work. This is a bag I would wear like on my personal errands, probably if I'm going somewhere and I just need something light to carry. I have another black bag, but sometimes it's like a huge bag. Did I mess up the zipper? Sometimes I hate these zippers because they turn inside out and it's annoying. And I don't want to ruin this because this costs money. I might have to ask my sister to assist me, because the zipper like went inside out or something. Yeah, I asked somebody to help me zip it because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, this is my bag, my Teflar bag. I'm excited to use it. But yeah, that's all I have for today. So like I said, personally this will be like a on-the-go bag that I'm going somewhere. Maybe I'm carrying my like just small things. I would not carry this for traveling unless like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I could carry this for traveling because I feel like I just carry so many things. Like, sometimes I even carry toiletries. I wouldn't want to mess up this bag with that. I like to wear, like, my backpack that I don't care about for all that stuff. This bag would be, like, on the go. Like, I'm going somewhere. Maybe I'm going to a library to do something. It could be anywhere, honestly. That's personally where I would take this. But not on a, like... I don't think I would take this on a regular travel because I just feel like I carry too much in my bag and stuff like that. And I wouldn't want to ruin the bag with toiletries and stuff like that. So, yeah. But, yeah, that concludes my Teflar bag. Let me know if you guys already have a Teflar bag or if you ever considered. I know Teflar has been out for a while. But I'm just now, like, getting my first Teflar bag. Because, I always kept on saying I want to get one. And I'm like, oh, no, I'm not going to get it this year. Or I'm not going to get it. And then I finally just end up buying myself one. So, yeah. But, yeah, that concludes my haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you already own a Teflar. How do you like Teflar bags so far if you have one? And if you don't have one, have you ever considered buying one? But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification button, subscribe button so you know for every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.